Welcome back! Today I'm going to show you how to fold blankets. Now I got three methods that I want to share with you. One that looks like this, another one that looks like this, and a third one that looks like this. So, let me show you my bedroom. Alright, so welcome to my bedroom. So I got these three methods that I want to share with you. I'm going to start with the one in the middle because it's a really cool one. So let's just get rid of this stuff. Alright, so let's start out by laying the blanket out nice and flat. From here we're going to fold it over once in half, like so. And then from here we're going to fold it over one more time, like so. From here it's quite simple, really. Also, you want to make sure that the part with the actual fold is up so that you can fold it out like so. You want to make sure that this part is up top, okay? From here we're going to take the blanket and we're going to fold it over 1/5 of the way, like so. From the other side we're going to fold it up actually 1/4 of the way, actually a little bit more than 1/4 of the way, like so. Bam bam. And then from here you're going to take the part which is 1/5 of the way folded up, and we're going to put it inside the part that's folded 1/4 of the way. Now you do this just by lifting up the first little layer here of the blanket, and you want to just stuff it in all the way. And the next method that I want to share with you is this one. If you watched my how to fold clothes playlist, you're probably very familiar with this method. But if you haven't, let me show you. So you want to start out with a blanket laid out like this. Now for this method we're actually gonna fold up part of the blanket like so, about this much, and from here we're going to fold it back half the way like so. You need a little bit of space. How much you need depends on the thickness of your blanket here. So for this one, which is about this thick, I'm gonna leave about this much, which is about, I'd say 30 centimeters is plenty, okay? So once you've folded it up, just fold it back down over like so that you have about 30 centimeters folded in on the back side. From here we're going to take the blanket and we're going to fold it from the side 1/3 of the way over like so. And as you probably guessed, we're also going to do that on the other side like this. So from here you pretty much have two choices. You could either start folding it over like this, or you could roll it. For this example, I'll roll it just to show you. So if you're gonna roll it, you wanna make sure that you straighten it out as you roll it, or it tends to get a little bit wrinkly. So rolling, rolling, rolling. And you know, if you have someone in your bedroom that you care a lot about, you know, and you want to impress them, like for example your cat, I'm sure this method will do the trick. So once we reach the top here, we're left with this little ball with actually a cylinder with this little flappy thing hanging out here. This is actually a little pocket that we made at the beginning of the folding method. So we're going to take this flap while holding on to the rest. Important step, otherwise it's going to unravel. And we're going to fold it over the entire thing. Now if you haven't done this before, it can be a little tricky to get it over the first couple of times, and it actually may unravel, but once you get a hang of it, you will be able to make this nice little circle like this one. And if you didn't know, I'm actually making a whole series on how to organize your bedroom. Right now I'm working on how to make your bed perfectly. So you can check out that playlist if you're interested on my channel. For this method here, it's quite simple and easy really. This is also the quickest method to do. So again, we're just going to fold it over in half, then in half again. And then from here, I'm going to fold it over in half one more time. From here, you can fold it in half like this, and you will be left with something that's easily stackable in your closet. If not, you could fold it back and fold it 1/3 when 1/3. And you will be left with a file foldable little thing here. Next, we're going to have a look at how to fold and use fitted sheets. They're the worst, aren't they? Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. I make these folding and organizing type of videos. So let's jump on over to fitted sheets.